Buckle down, unlocking the phrase. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of English idioms. Buckle down is on the spotlight, and we're going to unravel its meanings and uses. So, let's get ready to add another gem to your language treasure chest. Buckle down is an idiom that means to start working hard, usually with the implication that one needs to stop wasting time and begin working seriously on a task. Imagine fastening your belt before getting down to business. That's the essence of buckling down. The phrase, buckle down, is believed to have originated from the idea of tightening one's belt before engaging in hard labor, ensuring that nothing is loose or distracting. It's a metaphor for preparation and determination. When you tell someone to buckle down, you're encouraging them to concentrate on the work or task at hand. For example, if you buckle down now, you'll have plenty of time to relax later. Let's look at how buckle down is used in sentences. With exams next week, it's time to buckle down and study. The team needs to buckle down if we want to finish the project on time. Don't confuse buckle down with buckle up, which means to fasten your seatbelt. Buckle down is about getting serious, while buckle up is about safety. I hope you're now ready to buckle down and use this phrase confidently in your daily English. Remember, idioms add color to our language, so don't shy away from them. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.